Burnout. It does not begin with exhaustion. It begins quietly, with shallow breathing, tired spine, and mind that never pauses. My name is Samidha Kolatkar, founder of Yog Sutras. This 10-minute Power Yog flow is your daily reset. We begin by expanding the lungs, awakening the breath, bringing oxygen into the system. Click subscribe and get access to more wellness videos. And now we begin to move. Bring your palms together in the chest. Allow that one breath to let you stabilize, feel grounded and aligned. We gently allow the palms to face the sky. We prepare to rise on a count of 4, inhaling, lifting ourselves. 1, 2, 3, 4. We exhale and bring the heels down back onto the ground for 4, 3, 2, and 1. We now increase the count for the exhale. Inhale remains the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We extend the exhale a little bit more. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you land. Bring your palms together. Lift your arms, stretch, and place the palms behind the head to give that one stretch, expanding your lungs, allowing more breath to come in. From this place, lift your arms up. Exhale to flow forward and go close to your thighs. Inhale for a half lift where you press your palms beneath the knees. You now exhale, going again close to your thighs. And inhaling, you walk yourself into a plank. From plank, you have a choice. Either completely land onto the ground and do the Bhujangasana, or you do the upper dog. What feels right for your practice today? We roll up into Adho Mukha Svanasana, stretch, exhaling, while we walk the feet ahead. Inhale to rise up, and we go with the flow, exhaling, forward flowing onto the thighs. Half lift on an inhale as you expand your chest. Exhaling, flow, and inhaling, walk into the plank. We do the same flow again, where we choose to either do Bhujangasana or the upper dog, what feels right today. So just follow your heart. Stretch into Adho Mukha Svanasana. Once again, walk forward. Lift yourself up, connect, and return. Let us now prepare for the next flow where we lift the left foot. We take it behind, walk the right to the right, and start pressing the back toe to prepare you to flow into crescent. As you inhale and bend your right knee, relax the shoulders, bring your awareness to the breath, to the core. And from this space, allow your palms to connect. As you straighten your knee, slide your palms while exhaling into your chest. We will now open up into dove arms, or what you call as cactus arms. Inhaling, opening up the chest. We use the exhale and twist on the right side keeping the arms as is where they are. You inhale back. You once again exhale. You inhale to face forward. For the last time that you will exhale and twist. You will then inhale, exhale your palms into the chest while you straighten your knee and you come to the front end of the mat where you started. We keep flowing on the other side, so use your right foot, lift it, swing it behind, walk your left to the left and start to press your back toe. First, preparing to bend your left knee and take yourself into crescent. Just stabilize, get your breath, your core as a part of your awareness. Feel the pose and slowly straightening your knee, connecting your palms. Exhale your palms into the chest. We now open up on an inhale to cactus the arms. We exhale and we twist. We inhale and we bring ourselves back. We exhale, we twist. We inhale, we return. We exhale, we inhale back. We start to connect our palms, straighten the knee. We lift the arms up and prepare to come back to where we began the flow. Bring your palms into the chest. From this place, let us prepare ourselves for what comes next, is to lift the left foot, take it to a distance slightly lesser than the previous flow, where we will first allow ourselves to open up, expand, connect the palms and place them behind the head. We look up, we raise the chin up to the sky and allow the elbows to go the widest. Allow that breath to come in. We then start to straighten. We once again raise the arms and we are going to go flowing forward, where we allow ourselves extend the upper body, keeping the lower body stable, the back foot facing front. We flow, we bring the palms on the waistline and we lift ourselves with the awareness in the core. You can feel the need to distance your feet, what allows you to flow. So you can either increase or decrease what lets you work. We once again open up, we flow forward, exhaling as the belly squeezes. We bring the palms on the waistline while inhaling, expanding the chest. We rise up and we return. For the next time, we are going to hold ourselves bending forward. So prepare yourself, inhaling, raising, exhaling forward. You may or may not touch your palms. You may or may not want to change the distance. We are going to go close to the thigh as we exhale. If your palms don't touch, feel free to place them onto your ankle or a little above. We inhale, lifting the head and the chin for 1, 2, 3, and a 4. We exhale close to our thigh for 4, 3, 2, and 1. We inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. We exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We then start to align a long spine, palms coming onto your waistline, giving you the readiness, the stability, and the alignment needed to lift yourself up. From this place, We bring the palms together. We walk forward. We allow that one breath before we begin the other side because we want to use a neutralized base before we start the other side. We then begin by placing the right foot not too far, back foot facing forward. You can walk the left a little bit to the left of the mat. And we first prepare to open up and take the palms behind the head, where we allow that opening up of the chest. Let your elbows go wide apart, your chin go a little up, and then slowly, as you straighten yourself, you come back, you open up your arms, inhaling, and you're going to use an exhale to flow forward as your belly squeezes and you start to fold over your thigh. You roll your arms like a wave. You put them onto the waistline. Bring in your awareness and you lift yourself, inhaling back to where you began. We do this one more time. We are preparing to be able to hold the next time. Once again, open inhale. Fold forward, exhale. Palms on the waist. Allow yourself to rise up. Core is activated, integrated as it allows this fold and lift. Now for the third time when we flow, be more prepared to hold and remain there. So you can make your final adjustment between your legs, the distance that allows you to do that. When you flow down, we lift the head, the chin, inhaling for 1, 2, 3, 4. We exhale and go close, dropping the head and neck. 4, 3, 2, 1. We inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. From this place, now we slowly start to lengthen the spine, flatten, get your core aware, your neck aligned, preparing yourself to press both the feet as you lift yourself with grace without having to struggle for balance. Bring your palms into the chest and return to the front end of the mat. Allowing yourself to inhale and exhale. From this place, let us prepare to roll down as we bring in opening up of the chest with the awareness in the breath. Let's open up the arms, feet slightly apart, parallel. Exhale as you bend your knee and pause your palms in line with your shoulder. Finish your complete exhale. You take a new and a fresh inhale. And then you start exhaling as you go fully down and prepare yourself with your knees bent, heels closest to your hips, and we are going to roll down. Bring your thighs onto your belly. Allow yourself to once lift the head, roll into this Pavanamuktasana and simply prepare to relax for a few breaths where you just let your feet fall apart, your palms away from each other, the stillness of the body, the rhythm of the breath, connecting this to be able to reduce the chatter of the mind and allowing yourself to just fall into the natural rhythm of the breath, distanced from the external world with the eyes closed and the gaze that is soft.